Hello, I'm Senior Master Sgt. Anthony Thompson Jr., the Career Assistance Advisor for the 55th Wing here at Offutt Air Force Base. And when I think about Black History Month, I just think about all the giants that have come before me. When I think about the nation as well as our great Air Force, I'm reminded of individuals like Chief Master Sergeant of the Air Force, Thomas Bournes. And I think about individuals like General Chappie James. He said something to the effect of, excellence is always in demand and nobody cares what color it is. And I'm also reminded of the great Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Martin Luther King Jr. stated that injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. So Black History Month is a great time to reflect on the African American people, but it's also a great time to realize that justice for all people was the goal of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. And that's what Black History Month means to me.